I have to open this entire thing. It's the Nectar Bath Treats 12 Days of Mystery Treats. Number 1. It's soap and it smells really good. Really cute bath bomb and it has the same scent. Little Christmas mini soap things. Number 4. And this is another soap. Smells really good. All of this does. Number 5. And this is a sugar scrub. Number 6. A little Christmas tree bath bomb. Super cute. Number 7. It literally smells exactly like a smoothie. And I kind of want to eat it. Number 8. It smells like clean and peppermint at the same time. I love bath bombs. Number 9. Strawberry lip scrub and strawberry lip butter. Number 10. Bubble bath scoop sundae. I actually have some of these and they are so good. They make your skin so soft. Number 11 is body butter. And if you guys didn't notice, all of this is full-sized. Number 12 is a bath bomb. I am obsessed with all of this. Like, definitely one of my favorite advent calendars for sure.